So today you're going to be looking through this wellness wheel. The wellness wheel has 7 components of health: social, spiritual health, emotional health, environmental health, financial health, intellectual health, and physical health. Your job today is to learn a little bit about each part of this. So you should have a piece of paper in front of you and a pen or a pencil to take notes. You can start anywhere you want, but work your way around the wheel so that you don't forget one of them. You may want to start off with making sure that you have all of these. When you're done, you should have 7 different pieces of the wheel. So for each one of these, you're going to click on this little circle, read the definition. If I were you, I probably would write the definition down next to spiritual health and write the definition. You could jot down a couple other notes, but each one of these has a video. You are going to watch the video for each one of these. It'll really help figure out really what each part of this health is. You do have a quiz at the end of today's lesson, so please make sure you pay attention and take some good notes. The important thing to know about the wellness wheel is we are not single dimensional creatures. So just because we happen to be have good emotional health where we can deal with problems easily and we feel good about ourselves and all of that stuff, if we have something, we feel positive, but then we don't take care of ourselves by we don't sleep enough at night, or we leave our computers or our screens on all night, so we're not getting good sound sleep, or you're not drinking any water during the day, or you have never eaten any fruits or vegetables, then your physical health is going to impact your other parts of your health. So whatever you're missing or what things that you're lacking in each part of these components of health will affect the other. So for example, if I don't sleep at all at nighttime, then I might be cranky, which is the emotional health, the next day. Or if I don't sleep well at nighttime, the intellectual health may suffer because I can't concentrate on my schoolwork and I have a headache trying to work at school. So I get bad grades. So all of these fit into each other. If I don't take care of myself good physically, then maybe I have to spend more money at doctors, and that would affect my financial health or the money that I have. So all of these pieces are interconnected, and that's one of the main points I really want you to get from this lesson. So just make sure you take notes for each of these, watch the video, and then you'll be taking a little quiz on this. All right, good luck.